In this book, Roderick Chisholm examines the foundations of knowledge and defends a non-reductive theory. The author's aim is not to answer the question of how we know, but rather to examine what knowledge is. In his book Theory of Knowledge, Roderick Chisholm provides a detailed account of the nature and scope of human knowledge. He begins by discussing the nature of truth and falsehood and then considers the various ways in which we can acquire knowledge. He goes on to discuss the structure of knowledge and the methods we use to justify our beliefs. Finally, he addresses some of the most fundamental questions about knowledge itself. What is it? What is its purpose? And how do we know that we have it? Summary of his theory. Roderick Chisholm's theory of knowledge is based on the idea that there are three fundamental ways of knowing things: through experience, through reason, and through testimony. Experience is the basis for all our knowledge. It is the raw data from which we form our beliefs and opinions. The reason is the tool we use to make sense of our experience, draw conclusions from it, and test those conclusions against new experiences. Testimony is what we rely on when we don't have direct experience of something, when we take someone else's word for it. Chisholm argues that these three ways of knowing are equally important and that any one of them can be used to justify beliefs about the world. However, he also believes that there are some things that can only be known through one or two of these methods. For example, he thinks that religious beliefs can only be known through faith or revelation, and not through reason or experience. Chisholm's theory of knowledge is important because it provides a framework for understanding how we know things. It also helps us to evaluate the strengths and weaknesses of different ways of knowing. One of the major criticisms of Chisholm's theory is that it doesn't say how we can tell which beliefs are justified and which are not. This is a difficult problem for any theory of knowledge, but it is especially difficult for a theory that gives equal weight to all three methods of knowing. In conclusion, The Theory of Knowledge by Roderick Chisholm is a very important work that should be studied by everyone who wishes to gain a better understanding of the world around them. The theory provides us with a way to think about the world and our place in it, which can be very helpful in making decisions and living our lives. I would highly recommend this book to anyone who is looking for a deeper understanding of themselves and the world around them. Please do like and subscribe for more.